Good morning and welcome to the vlog. This morning I'm just going to change some stuff out in the Silca Matone seat bag. Reason being is we've put some tubeless tires on the bike. They are slicks, not gravel tires, but we're still riding the Aspero. And I'm going to show you why I'm switching stuff out and then we'll go for a ride. Alright, so I'm switching out tools. You guys have all seen this before. The F15 from Crank Brothers. Really like this guy. It's got that nice magnetic case. And of course you can open your beer with it as well. Not a bad thing. We're replacing it with the M20. Reason being, there are plugs in there, as well as there is a plug fork right here at the end, which is going to be useful, seeing as we're riding tubeless. So we're going to throw that in the Matone seat pack from Silca, which I also have an unboxing video. You can check all those videos out, and we're gonna head out for a ride. So far so good with the tires. They seem to be doing all right. It is a bit of a cooler day, still pretty hot, a little bit of wind. I think we're expecting thunderstorms. As you can probably see, there are some clouds behind me, so hopefully I don't get caught in the rain on this ride. But we're gonna keep on going and we'll catch up in a bit. right, guys, that was a fantastic ride. A good first ride on the Zipp 303s. And my first impressions are they are a fantastic budget carbon fiber rim. Of course, I will be putting them through the paces and give you guys a much bigger review in the future. But I'm quite happy. The Goodyear tires, they're seated, they sealed. It seems to all be running well. So please remember, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see ya.